It was full steam ahead for passengers on the Severn Valley Railway this weekend, as crowds gathered for the start of a 4-day event to mark the Queen's Platinum Jubilee. On a sunny Thursday morning, as I arrived at the platform in Bridgnorth, tourists, train enthusiasts, children and families stood waiting for the arrival of a very special locomotive. The Severn Valley Railway's 34027 Tour engine, which has recently been crowned the Elizabeth II, was the train everyone had been waiting for, specially painted for the Jubilee weekend. More than 100 people stood to catch a glimpse of the train in action, with their cameras and selfie sticks at the ready, as it steamed into the station at around midday. And it was repainted in a beautiful bright purple livery to commemorate the Queen's 70 years of service. The Severn Valley Railway relies on the hard work of more than 1,600 volunteers, as well as contributions made to its trust in order to survive. While day-to-day operation is covered by ticket sales and profits, a large amount of additional funding is needed to keep this wonderful piece of heritage alive. The SVR Charitable Trust has recently launched an appeal for £500,000 to restore its locomotive yard in Bridgnorth, which is said to be in vital need of repair. Built in the 1970s using mainly second-hand materials, the track has lasted for 50 years, but head engineer Martin White has announced that the end of its life is rapidly approaching. To ensure that the locomotives can continue running at the next Jubilee celebrations for future generations to enjoy and experience, it needs donations. To make a donation, visit www.svrtrust.org.uk.